guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Tejaswini. We all know we are on to our third recipe on mango series, and today I'm sharing mango dal. Slightly different from every other dal out there. So I'm very excited. I hope you all are. So without any further delay, let's get started. In a pressure cooker, I'm taking 1 cup of tur dal, 1 cup of peeled raw mango. You can see I have sliced the mango this size. You can add that. 3 slit green chilies. Now I'm adding half a teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of salt. I have taken 1 tomato here, 1 cup of water. Give it a good mix. We are pressure cooking this for 4 whistles. Looks like it's done. Let it cool down. Oh, beautiful. Look at all the colors. And also this is perfect consistency. Now I'm adding some fresh curry leaves. Give it a good mix. Let it simmer. While this is happening, let's start with the tempering. In a pan, I'm taking 3 teaspoons of oil. You can also use ghee. 1 teaspoon of mustard. 1 teaspoon of jeera, that's cumin. Saute for a few seconds. Let it splutter. Now I'm adding 5 to 6 cloves of crushed garlic. Dal is a comfort food, we all know, so I have kept all the flavors simple. Just tanginess from mango, sweetness from tomato, spice only from green chilies, garlic just to enhance the taste. And I haven't used any extra spice like chili powder or garam masala. I feel it's too heavy for the dish. So let's add the tempering. Mix it really well. Let it cook for a minute or two. And it's done. Please do try the recipe and share the pictures with us on Instagram, and do not forget to like, share, subscribe and hit that bell icon. Thank you so much, and I'll be joining you guys in my next video.